Hello my dear student, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear student, as you can see, we are studying direct and indirect speech, and today we are going to study interrogative sentence. Okay dear? Today I will teach you how to change an interrogative sentence into indirect speech. Okay dear? In the previous video we have learned how to change the pronoun, how to change the tenses, and how to change the word of adverb and place of adverb and adverb of time. Okay dear? So all the remaining rules, changing in the tenses, changing in the pronoun, changing in the adverb, okay, these all will be as usual, okay, as we have learned in the previous video, okay, but only reporting verb and conjunction to replace inverted comma, we use some different conjunction and some different reporting verb. So don't worry, I am here to teach you, okay. So pay attention, be careful, okay, and watch the video and be active, okay. So let's see how to change an interrogative sentence into indirect speech. Okay, let's see. So dear, very first I have mentioned here a note. Just remember this note. Reporting verb said and said to, okay, changes into ask. Is that clear? If reported speech, okay, belong to a interrogative sentence, so in that case a reporting verb said or said to will change into ask. Okay, are you getting me? Okay. Now see type first. Total we have to study two types of interrogative sentence. So let's see type first. In type first I have mentioned some instruction for you. When reported speech begins with helping verb. Okay dear? Are you getting me? If reported speech begin with helping verb, okay, like do, does, has, have, did, was, were, is, am, are, can, may, will, shall. So these all are the helping verbs, okay, and you know we call these types of sentences yes or no types, okay. So in very simple words, if the sentence is yes or no type, if the sentence is yes or no types, in that case we use conjunction if or whether to remove inverted commas. Okay dear? If the sentence start with helping verb, so to remove inverted comma we use conjunction if or whether. Okay, is that clear? Okay. Now see one more point I have mentioned here. Interrogative sentence will change into assertive sentence. Okay dear? Whenever you change an interrogative sentence into direct speech, so you have to change that interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Okay, is that clear? Okay. Now see some example to make sure. Okay, she said to me, "Are you coming my home?" Now see, this is reported speech, and just see the sentence starting with are. This is helping verb. Okay, so all the sentence that start with helping verb, okay, will come in the category of type first. Okay, now see how to change into indirect speech. So very first you will mention subject C, and as Jay sir has told you that reporting verb said to will change into asked. Okay, is that clear or not? Okay, then you will write me, and after that at the place of inverted comma, what we use? Conjunction if. So we use here if. Okay, after that this is the assertive sentence, sorry, interrogative sentence, and you have to change into assertive sentence. So dear, you know, in assertive sentence, very first we mention subject, after that we mention helping verb, then main verb, then other words. This is the structure of a assertive sentence. Okay sir, so you have to follow this structure. Okay, now see, in that sentence subject is you, and you is the pronoun. So you know, in pronoun we make changing. So you is the second person pronoun, and second person pronoun will change according to the object. Okay, so at the place of you, okay, we will mention I, and you know, after that we mention helping verb. So what is the helping verb? Are, and you know dear, is are will change into either was or were. So according to I we use was. I was coming. Now see my, that is again pronoun, and this is the first person pronoun, so it will change according to the subject C, and my is the possessive case. So possessive case of C will replace my. So you will mention here her home. Okay, as the sentence is assertive, we do not use question mark here. Okay sir. Okay, so I hope you have got my points very well. Okay, let's see one more example for you I have mentioned here. Okay, let's see. The stranger said to will change into ask me. After that we place of inverted comma, we use conjunction if, then you will change into assertive. So you is the pronoun, this is the subject, and it will change according to the object. So it will change according to me. Okay, so you will write here I, and dear, you know, can will change into could. If I could tell. Now see, me is a pronoun, this is a first person pronoun, and you know, first person pronoun always change according to the subject. So what is the subject? Subject is the stranger. Subject is stranger. So dear, this is the subject. So me will change according to this, and me is the objective case. So what is the objective case of the subject stranger? So it will be him. Okay, the way of the nearest hotel. Okay dear, so I hope you have got my points very well. You have learnt how to change an interrogative sentence into indirect speech. So dear, I give you 2 minutes to note down these all points. After that, we will discuss second type of interrogative sentence. Okay, till then note down. Okay dear, so I hope you have noted down point number first. So dear, now we are going to study type second of interrogative sentence. Okay dear, let's see. So dear, type second, let's see what I have mentioned for you instruction. When reported speech begins with, when reported speech begins with question word. Okay dear, if interrogative sentence begins with WS family, question word, that is called WS family. Okay, such as why, where, when, what, how, who. Okay, these all are the interrogative words, question words. Okay, if interrogative sentence begins with question word WS family, then we use conjunction question word to remove inverted comma. Okay dear, if interrogative sentence begins with WS family, so when you change the sentence into indirect speech, you will use that given question word, that given WS family at the place of inverted commas. Okay dear, and the other concept will be as type first. Okay, reporting verb will change into ask. Okay, interrogative sentence will change into assertive sentence. Okay dear, so just remember this point. Okay, let's see some example. The teacher said to me, why did not come to school yesterday? Okay dear, this is an interrogative sentence, and you can see the sentence is starting with WS family why, that is a question word. Okay dear, so when you will change this direct speech, okay, so at the place of this inverted comma you use this question word. Okay, let's see. The teacher said to will change into asked me, and at this comma we use WS family why, and after that you will change the interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. And you know, in assertive sentence what you come first? Subject will come first, and after that helping verb, then main verb, then other words. Okay dear, this structure will follow. So in that sentence, what is the why did you not? Dear student, I have forget you to mention here, so mention here you. Okay, so in that sentence you is the subject, and dear, you know, you is the second person pronoun. So it will change according to the object. So what is the object? So object is the me. So you will change according to me. So that is why you will write here I. And here did, this is a past indefinite tense, simple past tense. So dear, simple past tense will change into past perfect tense. So that is why you will use here had, and not will come after the helping verb not. I had not come to school, and dear, you know, yesterday will change into the previous day. We have mentioned already. Okay dear? Okay, so I hope you have got my points very well. Okay, let's more example. Let's see more example. Example second. She said to him. Who are you? Who are you? So dear, now see again, this is an interrogative sentence and starting with WS family. So dear, when you change into indirect speech, see, said will change into asked him. In the place of inverted comma, we use question word who, and after that the sentence will change into assertive. So what is the subject? You. This is second person. So dear, we know second person pronoun will change according to object. So object is him. So you will write here his, he, and is, am, are will change into was and were. So who, he, was. Okay sir? Okay. So dear, I hope you have got all these points very well. Dear, these all topics like direct and indirect speech very important for you when you are promoted in class 9, 10th, in higher classes. Then you have to learn these all points very well. So I suggest you be careful and learn these things again and again. Okay, try to understand the things. If you have any problem, message me, call me. Okay, I will clear your doubt. Okay, so dear, note down point number second, this instruction, these examples. Okay, so till then watch the video, enjoy. I hope you have liked the video. Okay, so enjoy, take care, bye.